Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Welcome to another Quick and Easy Meal. Quick and Easy Meals is an open collaboration. It's hosted on Sundays, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Debbie Bubbles, My Mountain Home and Kitchen, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. So as you can see here today, I am just making up a dessert. I'm just gonna make this up, guys. I thought this might be quite tasty, so I'm gonna try it. So look, come along with me while I make this yummy dessert. Today is Thursday, so the kiddies will be back soon. So after they eat their dinner, they can have a dessert. Now, meanwhile, while I get this all prepped, please stop by the other ladies' channels and see what they are cooking up for you today on Quick and Easy Meals. Let them know that Jean Home Decor and More sent you over. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up these Grand's biscuits. I'm going to put them on, let's see what they have. I think it's $3.75. If I'm not mistaken, I made them so much. Yep, $3.75. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them. And I'm gonna, after I fix them, I'm gonna cut them in half, put a little bit of Blue Bonnet in the middle, a little bit on the top, and then let's see what I do, okay? Keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna just pop these in the oven. This is really easy. This is an easy snack, guys. So just to make this video a little quicker, you know, I'm gonna use this rich and creamy cream cheese Betty Crocker frosting and the Cool Whip and the strawberries, which you've seen them. So I cut them up and I rinsed them. So as you can see, they're draining on this little dish. And then once I'm done with all of, prepping them, I'm gonna put them in this dish, this Pyrex dish, okay? I'm not gonna cook it anymore because once the biscuits come out of the oven, I'm just gonna add this onto it. So hopefully this will make a nice little dessert for tonight. Tonight is Thursday. I had just done a foodie grocery haul, so we're keeping it really easy and simple today. I'm just making some chicken nuggets and French fries and perhaps some zucchini and squash mix. And then we can have this for dessert, okay? I said quick and easy. Keep watching. Okay guys, these are fresh out of the oven. So now let's doctor them up for dessert. A little cinnamon. Now, let me turn this TV down, guys. I'm sorry. I was thinking, you know, we always think about Grand's biscuits, you know, for dinner, but I was thinking, you know, you might be able to make them, use them as a snack. Or like my grandbabies would say, I want a snack. I want a snack, my mom, I want a snack. Well, I only have one that says that. The rest of them are getting bigger now, so they don't say that. Just one says that. He's the little guy. I thought this might be pretty good. And I'm trying to hurry up and do this size before these big mouths get back in here. Because then if they see this, they might not want to eat their dinner. Okay, so we're done with the blue bonnet. So now we're going to put some strawberries on them. Alright, so now guys, I'm gonna put, let's see if I have one for each one. So you get the idea of what I'm doing here, you see? Okay, so with that, putting this on. Okay guys, so now I'm going to transfer these onto a better looking dish. Keep watching. Okay, so now we're going to add a little more icing on the top. We don't need a lot. Just a little bit of this. I'm just putting this on so I can hold the strawberries on. So guys, I just put a little bit of icing on, just a tiny bit, just to hold the strawberries on each one. Okay, keep watching. All right, so as you can see, the icing is holding the strawberries on, and this is what I'm going for. It's okay that a few have fallen to the bottom, that's fine, because when you pick them up with a spatula, you can just scoop up a few extra strawberries if you like. But if you like Grand's biscuits and you like strawberries, this might be a tasty dessert for you. Okay, so we have to add one more touch. Okay, so I'm going to show you one because, so this is what we're going to top it off with. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh la la. We're just gonna add a little Cool Whip to zhuzh it up a little bit. Maybe I'll put them all on and I'll stick them in the fridge. And this, I'll just do 4 for right now, okay? Just so that you can get the idea, and the other 4 I'll add on later. But this particular dish, I don't want to add too much Cool Whip because this particular dish has a cover to it, you know? So this looks good. What do you think? This is a nice summer dessert. If you're looking for a nice dessert, maybe to serve if you're having company over, a little cookout or whatever, you know, this is kind of nice. Now, If you wanted to add a different type of topping, you can add any type of topping that you want to cover the Grand's biscuit altogether. But I just decided to use the Betty Crocker frosting because that's just what I had on hand. But you can use any type of topping that you would like. But I thought this makes a nice summer dish. So let me know what you think, guys. Leave a comment in the comment box below. I hope that you've enjoyed this quick and easy meal. It didn't take any time. The most time that it took to make it was for the biscuits to bake in the oven, and that was probably like 10-15 minutes. So that's it. Okay, so until the next time, guys, you have many blessings, you and your families. Bye bye.